Here we have rows of double crochet. If I bring up any one of the double crochets, what's sitting over the hook right now is a post. We're going to learn how to front post double crochet. In order to front post double crochet, you need to do what I just showed you. Place your hook behind the post of the double crochet instead of the stitch at the top of the double crochet, which is where you usually would insert your next stitch. Let's go ahead and try to put a front post double crochet. So double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, but insert it in the post. Then you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Everything else is the same from this point as it would be for a regular crochet. So you yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook behind the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, and you're pulling up the loop the same way where the hook came from. And complete your double crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's how you front post double crochet.